Hello, my name is Scott Romero, and I am the president citywide of Memphis. Thank you for choosing to learn more about our company and services. Here at Citywide, the goal is simple: to provide the best possible service for our clients. Our specialty is being your one point of contact for managing a variety of commercial maintenance needs, including janitorial services, parking lot repairs, and lawn care services. A facility services manager is assigned directly to your account and will manage the entire process from beginning to end, while ensuring a high level of quality within your budget. I'm looking forward to learning how Citywide can sustain your facility's appearance at a level worthy of your employees, customers, and visitors.
Citywide is your locally owned building maintenance solution. We clean over 100 million square feet per day, which translates into more than 20,000 hours of maintenance and janitorial services every night. Citywide manages building maintenance services for more than 4,000 facilities nationwide. Our average client relationship lasts at least 8 years, and our average client retention rate is greater than 90%. Janitorial services is our specialty, but we can help with anything from lawn and landscaping to handyman services to parking lot sweeping and striping, and so much more. On average, we provide 4.6 services per client. Fewer vendors means fewer salespeople and fewer invoices. And more time to focus on what you do best. Our mission is to provide world-class building maintenance solutions that save time and solve problems. And we've been doing that since 1961. With more than 50 years in business, we have the experience you can count on. We are Citywide Maintenance, and we are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now is the time to add Citywide to your facilities management team.